Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another drink video. So today's drink, I'm going to be making a blue raspberry frozen cocktail. So everything I'm using today is going to be blue raspberry. So I'm going to be using the blue raspberry lemonade Kool-Aid. I found some all blue raspberry Jolly Ranchers. I got that from the Dollar General. And then I have some UV blue raspberry vodka. So in my mixing glass, I poured in my sugar, water, and Kool-Aid. I put about half a cup of sugar and then a cup and a half of water. You can make it sweeter if you would like. You can use less sugar. It's up to you. I didn't want it to be too sweet because I am adding candy to it. But just make it how you would like it. So I have my ice and I'm gonna pour in my Kool-Aid mixture. I'm gonna try to make this a thick frozen cocktail, so I might have to add more ice in there. And then I'm gonna pour in my vodka, 5, 6, however many you would like. It's up to you. And then I'm gonna add in my Jolly Ranchers. And you can add in as many Jolly Ranchers as you prefer. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my top on. Turn it on, and I'm gonna put it on medium. So I'm gonna add some more ice in here because I do want it to be thicker than this. All right, so this is the glass I'm gonna be using. I got this glass from a place called World Mart. I know they have a website if you want to get on there and look it up. It says it's a beer glass. I forgot the name of it, but I just typed in fishbowl drink glasses and that's what popped up. So I'm gonna get that poured in. As you can see, it is really nice and thick, just like I wanted it. I have some blackberries. You can garnish with any kind of fruit that you would like. There you have it, guys. My blue raspberry frozen cocktail. Well, blue raspberry Kool-Aid frozen cocktail, I guess. Call it what you want. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye-bye.